Hey guys, welcome back to our Jay's Food Review. Today I'm here with
Nev.
and we're gonna be eating General Tso's chicken from the new Panda House. Let's try it. Wait, 1 through 10.
It's noisy.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Tastes like chicken.
Not really much flavor going on.
Yeah. I'll give it a
7.
6 out of 10. Yeah. I can't forget the Bev. Never, never, never. Today we got Mellow Yellow. Let's try it.
Never had it. It was fizzing.
Food is about 10 seconds away from screaming in this hospital room.
It tastes like,
It's alright.
I don't like
Kind of
it.
mid.
Maybe I just got a bad sip.
I'll give it a 6.
It's like
out of 10.
worse than ginger ale. I'm gonna give that 4 out of 10.
That's it for today's food review. Make sure to like, comment, follow, everything. Till next time.